Imagine walking into a room filled with cobwebs, dust covering every surface, and stains in every corner. Oh no, I truly hope that's not your bathroom. But if your bathroom does need a serious cleanup, don't worry. Cleaning it can become an easy and quick task, as long as you know the right tips and tricks. The good news is, I've got all the secrets to help you clean your bathroom without spending too much time or effort. By the time you finish watching this video, I guarantee you'll not only feel motivated to get started right away, but also know exactly how to make your bathroom sparkle like new. The first step is to get rid of anything unnecessary. Start by clearing out any expired or unused products. Empty shampoo bottles, nearly finished shower gel, or half-used toothpaste tubes shouldn't be taking up space. Especially, don't keep old cosmetics or expired face masks. They not only create clutter, but can also be harmful to your skin. Once that's done, it's time to tackle the mess on the counter. Hairspray bottles, brushes, and makeup scattered around make the space feel cramped. Organize everything into trays or storage baskets. This not only makes your space look tidy, but also helps you easily find what you need when you need it. More importantly, it clears up space, allowing you to easily spot and address any hidden dirt that may have been overlooked due to the clutter. The one-touch rule is a simple and effective method to help you save time while cleaning. Each surface or area only needs to be handled once. This means that instead of going back multiple times to clean the same spot, you finish it right from the first touch. For example, when cleaning the bathroom, I spray glass cleaner on the mirror and immediately wipe it down, leaving no streaks behind. Then, I spray cleaner on the sink, shower glass, toilet, and floor, ensuring everything is cleaned the moment I touch it. By doing this, I save both time and energy while keeping the bathroom tidy and spotless. Before showering, I always take a moment to prepare the space. First, I soak a cleaning cloth in a laundry solution mixed with disinfectant, ensuring that all bacteria and unpleasant odors are taken care of. Next, I carefully place a fresh, clean hand towel beside the sink and straighten out the bathroom mat so everything looks neat and tidy. I also take a quick look around the bathroom, arranging items like shampoo bottles and toothbrushes back in their proper places, so I don't have to worry about cleaning up after my shower. Once I'm done showering, I make sure to use a squeegee to wipe down the floor, removing any standing water. This helps the floor dry quickly and prevents the growth of bacteria and mold. Not only does this keep the bathroom spotless, but it also creates a fresh, airy feeling every time I step in. The bathroom sink is always a witness to your busy morning, with traces of toothpaste, splashes of water, and even a few stray hairs left behind. But how do you keep the sink sparkling clean amidst the chaos? Don't worry. With just a few simple tips, you'll find it easier than you think. First, don't let the toothpaste dry and harden like you're building a mini wall in the sink. Right after using it, quickly grab a piece of tissue, or even better, a microfiber cloth, and wipe it down. It only takes a few seconds, but the result is a shiny, clean sink. And what about that old toothbrush? Don't throw it away. Turn it into your secret weapon for cleaning the sink. The small corners, water drains, and edges around the sink are perfect places for that old toothbrush to work its magic. You'll feel like you're wielding a magic wand, erasing dirt with just a few strokes. And if you've forgotten to clean and the sink has built up grime over time, don't worry. Just sprinkle a little baking soda on the surface, Spray some vinegar and watch the magical fizzing reaction take place. Not only is it fun to watch, but it's also highly effective. Let it sit for a few minutes, then wipe it down with a sponge, and your sink will be shining like new again. The bathtub is not just a place to bathe. It's like your second bed, where you can immerse yourself in comfort and wash away all your fatigue. Just like your bed needs to be neatly made, your bathtub needs to be spotless for you to truly relax. To keep your bathtub in this perfect condition, you don't need to spend much effort or rely on harsh cleaning products. Here are a few simple tips that I always use to transform my bathtub into a little oasis at home. The best part is, I do these right after I bathe, keeping the tub clean without adding extra time to my routine. When scrubbing the tub, always use a soft brush or a non-scratch sponge to ensure you clean thoroughly without causing scratches. If your bathtub only has a little dirt and soap scum, a mixture of vinegar and dish soap diluted in a spray bottle is a great solution. It's not only cost-effective, but also gentle on the bathtub surface, especially if your tub is made of acrylic. Just spray it on, scrub lightly, and you'll see your tub sparkle in no time. If you're not into making your own cleaning solutions, that's perfectly fine. Store-bought bathtub cleaners are always a reliable choice. Just make sure to choose a product that's suitable for your tub's material and avoid those with overly harsh chemicals. After cleaning, run your hand along the surface of the tub. If it feels smooth and free of grime, you've done a great job. Don't forget to rinse thoroughly to remove any leftover cleaner or soap residue. Finally, to finish up, spray a layer of disinfectant on the bathtub. This not only keeps your tub clean, but also ensures it's safe for your next relaxing soak. I've tried everything, from vacuum cleaners to mops, but in the end, I always come back to the good old-fashioned manual method, because sometimes the simplest way is the most effective. With a microfiber cloth in hand and using the S motion technique, I can gather up all the dust and stray hairs in no time. But that's not all. If you really want your bathroom floor to shine, sprinkle a little baking soda before you start wiping. Baking soda not only absorbs moisture and dirt, but also helps neutralize unpleasant odors. After sprinkling it on the floor, just wipe it down with your microfiber cloth, and you'll immediately notice the difference. The floor will be not only clean, but also fresh and odor-free. Keeping your mirror spotless is essential for you to admire your beauty in the best possible way. To ensure your bathroom mirror stays sparkling clean and streak-free, follow these simple steps. First, evenly spray a glass cleaner onto the surface of the mirror, focusing on areas with stubborn stains like soap residue or water spots. Next, use a microfiber cloth to wipe the mirror in circular motions for a thorough clean. Microfiber is highly absorbent and helps remove dirt without leaving streaks. For larger glass surfaces like shower doors, you can use a squeegee to remove any excess water, helping the glass dry quickly and preventing unwanted streaks. Finally, use a dry cloth to give it one last polish, ensuring your glass shines perfectly. The habit of cleaning up right after using something started when I once walked into my bathroom and felt like I was facing a battlefield after a busy week. Everywhere I looked, there were traces of neglect: hardened toothpaste on the sink, makeup stains smeared across the countertop, and strands of hair scattered all over the floor. It was then that I realized if I didn't clean up immediately after each use, my bathroom would quickly turn into a war zone that would be much harder to manage later on. From that moment, I made a commitment. It only takes a few seconds to clean up after each task, but it prevents the mess from piling up and stains from becoming stubborn. Just a quick wipe of the sink after brushing your teeth or putting everything back in its place, after using it can keep your bathroom tidy without the need for a big cleaning session later. Place an essential oil diffuser in your bathroom to fill the space with refreshing scents and keep the air fresh throughout the day. Just a few drops of cool peppermint, soothing lavender, or sweet orange essential oil will instantly create a sense of relaxation and invigoration every time you step in, helping you wash away any stress. With these small tips, you can transform your bathroom into a space that is not only clean, but also filled with natural aromas and a calming atmosphere. The toilet is always the hot spot for bacteria buildup in the bathroom, and cleaning it can often feel like a time-consuming task. But don't worry, with a few simple steps below, you can clean the toilet quickly and effectively without much effort. Start by spraying toilet cleaner inside the bowl, focusing on the area under the rim, where bacteria and dirt tend to hide. Let the solution sit for 5 minutes. During this time, you can clean other areas of the bathroom. Once the cleaner has soaked in, use a toilet brush to scrub thoroughly under the rim, inside the bowl, and all the way down to the base. Don't forget to scrub the drain area, where grime and stains often accumulate. After scrubbing, flush the toilet to rinse away the cleaner and dirt. If there are any stubborn stains left, repeat the process until the bowl is sparkling clean. Next, move on to the exterior of the toilet. Use a cloth or paper towel dampened with disinfectant to wipe down the lid, handle, tank, and the area around the toilet. These spots are often overlooked but are prone to collecting bacteria, so make sure to clean them thoroughly. By following these steps, your toilet will always be clean and safe for your family's health. Each item in the bathroom has its own home, and your job is to make sure that after use, they return to their rightful place. Think of your hairbrush as a traveler, and once it's done its job, it'll find its way back to its little container instead of getting lost on the counter. The same goes for makeup. After completing its beauty mission, it should stay in a drawer, not scattered everywhere. As for towels, don't let them wander through the bathroom door or be left on the counter. Just hang them neatly on a towel rack, and you'll immediately notice how much more organized and spacious your bathroom is. By following this rule, not only will your space be cleaner, but you'll also save time when searching for everyday essentials. Maintain the habit of cleaning your bathroom for just 10 minutes a day to keep it clean and safe for the whole family without putting in too much effort. Sometimes, doing a small task each day can bring bigger results than you might expect. So dedicate at least 10 minutes a week to taking care of your bathroom space. That's all it takes to keep it tidy and organized. By sticking to this simple habit, your bathroom will always be sparkling, fresh, and ready for you each day without the stress of a big cleaning session. If you have extra time and energy, that's great. Feel free to spend more time cleaning. But if not, 10 minutes a week is still enough to maintain cleanliness. Cleaning the bathroom doesn't have to be a stressful or time-consuming task every time. The most important thing is to maintain a clean space daily, rather than deep cleaning every time. Start with small tasks, step by step, and you'll find that cleaning becomes much easier and quicker. Once it becomes a habit, your bathroom will always stay shiny and tidy without too much effort. I hope these little tips make cleaning your bathroom easier and more enjoyable. That's the end of this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.